I can't wait for you to see what I got. Hi, I'm Angie with Cutting Edge Quilter. We had some fun mail delivered and I thought I would unbox it today here with you guys. It's from a company that reached out to me asking if I would review their product. So I got the actual product for free, so just a disclaimer, I guess you could say. They do a monthly subscription. So I've actually never heard of this company, but it's called Mrs. Quilty, and I don't know if you guys have ever heard of Mrs. Quilty before, but it has Quilty in the name, so you know I love quilts, so I'm going to go ahead and review. I'm going to definitely say yes to this, and it's a beautiful box that it came in. Looks like a fun quilt on the back on the box. So I'm going to go ahead and take these out and show you what I got with it. I love the inside of the box. It says Quilt, Laugh, Love. So the first thing that I see when I open it up is a magazine. And I did look on their website, and it looks like that what you do with the subscription, you get a box of quilting supplies, which every box includes 16 pieces of cotton fabric, a magazine like this, and a surprise gift. So this week, or I guess it's once a month. Looks like that you get a box on the 7th of every month. And it's just a surprise of what you get. You just never know what you're going to get. But for this month, it's a nice magazine. And it has a lot of fun, like, inspiration. It has some templates in the back, I noticed. I think it has a few patterns in here of what you can do with your fabric that you get. On the back it says, when life gives you scraps, make a quilt. That's exactly right. So the first thing I'm going to show you is, of course, this magazine. And then and the next thing I want to show you is the nice fabric that comes in here. They give you 8, there's 2, it has 8 fat quarters in each one, so it's 16 of them. So I'm going to take one out. And this is nice. It's 100% cotton fabric. I love this one. But you just never know what you're going to get, and they curate it, I think, to kind of coordinate with each other. So you got this. And then this is really pretty too. I love this red. I can't wait to make something with this. Either from their patterns that they have in the magazine, which they look really fun, or just something that I come up with. And this is really cute. You see that little deer. And then the other fabric, it's the same, but so you get 2 fat quarters of each kind, so very nice. And it very thick, a lot thicker than what you get with other subscriptions, so that's fun. The last thing that's in here is a fun little surprise gift. So let's go ahead and open this up. Looks like they have 2 leaf needle minders. So really cute. You put your needle on there. Let me see if I can find a needle real quick. So you would put your needle on here and it will hold it. Where's this needle? You're supposed to put it down. This needle's kind of big. But there's a magnet on the back. So it holds a needle. Very cute. So like I said, in this subscription box, you'll get the magazine, the 16 pieces of fabric, your monthly surprise gift, so you never really know what that's going to be. And from the looks of their website, you can also buy some quilting supplies if you want. So I'm going to leave a link below to their website, and definitely check them out. And thank you so much for for sending me all this fun stuff. I can't wait to use it. And I will definitely post a video whenever I do use this fabric to see what I use it on. So thank you so much. I told you last week that I was in class for quilt pattern writing. So we are currently in the middle of the class, so I'm still taking that course. And right now I'm writing a quilt pattern. I cannot wait for you guys to see what I am working on, because it's going to be so much fun. And I'm working on making up a pattern for that. And as soon as I get the pattern out, I will definitely let you know. So if you like this video, make sure that you subscribe down below and click the like button, so that way you can see our videos that come out every week. Do you subscribe to a quilting subscription box? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching.